Hello and welcome. In my previous videos, I've mentioned that there are tools out there or gadgets that I'm gonna show on my channel, but I'm not gonna be using them. And this is one of them. In my country, we've got a pretty strict rules that on one fishing rod, you should have the maximum of 2 hooks. And you can have only 2 rods with you, so in total it's only 4 hooks. And this gadget, it has 12 hooks, as you can see. And well, if I'm gonna be using it, I'm gonna get fined, and the fines are pretty high, so I don't want that to happen to me or to anybody else who doesn't know the laws, well, the fishing laws in their location. A few words about this gadget. Well, it is mainly used for bottom fishing, and if the rules actually allow you to fish with it, it really increases your chances of catching that huge fish which you always dreamed about, because 12 hooks, well, it really increases your chances 12 times. So on each hook you can put a different bait and check the one which is actually working, because on some waters fish bites at one bait, and the other one it passes by without even noticing it. So well, the hooks are pretty sharp. I've already checked that. And how you use it? Well, all is pretty simple. You just put your main line, you attach the gadget to your main line, and basically put some baits on the hooks. It goes down on the bottom of the river or lake, depending on where you fish. And basically, well, the fish picks up the bait, and well, hopefully it's gonna be a big one. So that's basically all that I wanted to tell you about this gadget. I just wanted to show you that it exists. I won't be using it, but you might. If you'd like to check the price, I will put the link in the description for you to have a look. If the content was useful, don't forget to put a thumbs up, as for you it's a fraction of a second, and for us it's a huge motivation on creating new content. Let's get those 100 likes. And you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and not to miss any of the interesting content we're gonna share in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.